Alright guys, how we doing? Welcome back to my channel guys. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys for coming back. Thank you guys for staying true. If you're new here, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I got a lot of recipes you already missed, but you could subscribe and catch up on those and catch up on this one and all the current recipes that's coming up if you turn on that notification bell, and make sure you put that to all so you get all my notifications. Alright guys, today I got a special recipe I'm going to walk you through, so stick around guys, hang tight. Again, hit that subscribe button, drop me a like, drop me a comment, let me know if there's anything you guys want to see me cook, and stay safe guys. Alright guys, so with these simple ingredients today guys, I'm going to be making some Oreo ice cream. So I got some Oreo biscuit, some heavy whipping cream, half and half, some sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, and my mixing bowl. Alright guys, let's get into it. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is break up the Oreos. Alright, and it don't got to be any specific, you could just crush them. Just like that. You could throw them in a food processor, in a blender, wherever you want to do them, but I personally like, when I'm eating Oreo ice cream, to take out like the chunks of the Oreo. I don't like just the powder. I like to have some of the chunks in there too. So let's do that. So we're gonna put that aside. All right, next step guys, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna start our cream. So we're gonna pour heavy cream. And we're gonna go ahead and add our sugar. Then some cinnamon. Then some half and half, but a little bit of the half and half. We're not gonna add the whole thing yet. All right, there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and cream that together. All right, so cream that together. We're gonna start off on low. And gradually increase the speed. Alright guys, so we're starting to get there. We're starting to get creamy. Just keep going. Alright guys. Alright guys, so this is the consistency you want. Now we're going to go ahead and add our Oreo crumbs. Then we're just going to turn this low and just mix these in together. Alright, make sure you get all of that mixed in. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and transfer this to a container. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and transfer our ice cream into the container. Oh yeah, you can still see those Oreo chunks, just like I like them. This one, I'm doing this one for Kai guys. He'll be killing me to make Oreo ice cream for the longest. I'm just going to give us a quick level. We're going to freeze this overnight. Our ice cream will be ready. Alright guys, so see you guys when we're ready. Alright guys, so this is what we got. Nice Oreo ice cream that's ready. I was going to go ahead and scoop through. See that nice rich ice cream. All right guys, nice Oreo ice cream, simple as that. Nice easy recipe. So remember, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give me a like, drop a comment, and let me know what you guys think. All right, go ahead and enjoy guys.